Let's see how to insert a proportional symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert a proportional symbol, simply head on over to the Insert tab and click on Equation. Now click on Insert New Equation, and that should open up a new equation field where you can type in your new equation. It should also open up an equation tab right here at the top. Now, to insert your proportional symbol, simply look for this icon right here in the symbol section. And when you click on that, that will automatically be applied or typed into your equation field. Now, to type outside this equation field, simply click outside the box and type in your equation or the rest of your equation. And that is how you can type in a proportional symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.